So here's a picture of Mr. Hong's virtual school workspace. Before I get started, I just want to remind everyone to make sure that you try to use what's around you to make things work. Just with a bit of creativity and effort, you'd be surprised what you can make out of cardboard boxes and recyclable materials. So the first thing I have at the top left here is a second screen. The key to being efficient is making sure that I'm not switching back and forth, so having a second monitor really helps. If you can find a second monitor, that's something that people are giving away or throwing out, you can definitely use that. Otherwise, downloading the Dualist Chrome extension will help you split screens a lot more easily, even on your Chromebook. The second thing I have here is my laptop. It's about an arm's length away at eye level. The third thing I have at the top is my week at a glance and a few post-it notes. This might be a place where you put in your login codes and your assignment reminders. Number 4 I have is my laptop stand to raise up my laptop to the eye level. So if I'm standing, I would adjust that so it gets a lot higher. So you can use milk crates, books, and boxes or containers. Whatever you use, you just want to make sure that the Chromebook or the laptop you're using is at eye level. The next thing I have 5 is my water. I want to make sure I have water and a healthy snack nearby, so I'm not always rushing to go to the kitchen to find a snack. 6, I have my pencil case hanging to the side here, but you might want to have that in your own pencil case, a small box, or even a mug. And then we also have, for 7 at the bottom left, is Mr. Hong's wipe book and our dry erase marker. So that's something we use for writing and doodling and math. You can use it for a whole bunch of different things. You can use paper or pencil or your agenda. Whatever you choose to use, you just want to make sure you have an organized place and a home for it afterwards. And the last thing I want to show you is 10. 10 is Mr. Hong's wrist pad. So that's something that you want to make sure that you either have for keeping your wrist flat and you're not bent. So you might want to use a towel or a box or a book just to make sure that your wrists are flat while you're working away.